Guys, so I just fixed my Xbox black screen of death. The way I did it was completely different from everybody else's way of fixing their Xbox. So this is another way of fixing your black screen of death if you don't unplug it, if that does nothing. If you hard reset, it does nothing. This is another surefire way to make it work, but it is a factory reset, so you will lose everything you have except for saves. If you already have online, it should be saved up in the cloud. But if you don't, then you will lose everything. Anywho, so this is what it looks like after I just did it. Imagine it being a black screen. So imagine your Xbox completely off. Just grab a USB. Go to your computer, put the USB in your computer, go to this website, support.xbox.com/English Canada or states, whatnot, Xbox One system, offline system update, diagnostic tool. Then you just have to read the whole thing and it explains exactly what to do. Once you download your folder, which is here, you're going to put it on your USB. So it'll tell you to download a folder. Once you read all this, you download the folder and you grab the folder, not the file that's inside, but the actual folder, and you drag it onto your USB. You can only have that on your USB and nothing else. Once that's done, you eject it, and then we go back. Once we're back, put your USB in the side slot. Right now I have the USB in here. It's kind of dark actually. I can't really see. There you go. Anyway, so this is the Xbox. Here's the USB. That's the one I have now. That's the one I repaired my Xbox with. Put it on its side. Then you have to hold the eject button and the bind button, which is right here. This is the bind button on the side and then the eject button. Hold them both at the same time for 15 seconds. Both of them at the same time for 15 seconds. And once you hold it, while you're holding, turn on your Xbox, but keep holding until you hear 2 beeps. You're going to hear 1 beep, then another beep afterwards, then you let it go. And it'll do it all for you. It'll reset everything. And boom, you're going to have it fixed. And you're going to start up from the start, but your Xbox will be fixed. And this is a surefire way of fixing that black screen of death. Thanks for watching.